Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox Browser on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you have to start with opening App Store. Now click on search and click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click here on this application and click here to install. Click open, and now you can make your Microsoft your default browser, or you can click skip. Now you can sign in to quick distributing devices, or you can click skip. And now you can turn on notifications from this app, or you can click skip. And now your Firefox browser is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.